Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This is my personal experience using the product, so your mileage may vary. Today we're taking a look at RocketCake, a free website builder found at www.rocketcake.com. RocketCake offers a WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get, interface, meaning the website you design on your screen is precisely how it will appear online. This removes the complexities of coding and allows for a more intuitive, visual design process. RocketCake caters to users seeking a straightforward approach to website creation without the technical hurdles. This software is particularly useful for individuals and small businesses wanting a simple, yet effective online presence. It's ideal for creating static websites, like landing pages, portfolios, or basic informational sites. If you're envisioning a complex website with dynamic features, databases, or advanced functionalities, RocketCake might not be the best fit, and you might consider exploring other more robust platforms. One of the biggest perks of RocketCake is its completely free usage, without any strings attached. No trial periods, no watermarks, just free website building. The software is readily downloadable for Windows, macOS, and Linux, ensuring cross-platform compatibility and accessibility. With its simple drag-and-drop functionality, you can easily add elements like text boxes, images, and buttons to your webpage, arranging them visually to create your desired layout. RocketCake also facilitates the creation of responsive web designs. Your website will automatically adapt and adjust to different screen sizes, ensuring optimal viewing on desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. This is crucial in today's mobile-first world. While it's free and easy to use, RocketCake does have certain limitations. For instance, it lacks advanced features found in more sophisticated website builders. It's not a full-blown content management system, CMS, and therefore, lacks features like blogging tools, e-commerce integration, or user management systems. Nevertheless, for those seeking a basic, free, and user-friendly website builder, RocketCake is definitely worth exploring. It's a great starting point for beginners, and it can be a valuable tool for building simple, yet effective online presences. So, head over to www.rocketcake.com to give it a try. Let me know what you think of RocketCake in the comments below.